Colmar, a picturesque town in the Alsace region of France, is known for its fairy tale charm, half-timbered houses, and cobblestone streets. Here are some of the best things to do in Colmar. 1. Explore the Old Town. Visit La Petite Venise, Little Venice, which is known for its colorful, half-timbered houses lining the canals. It's especially enchanting when viewed from a boat ride on the Lach River. Also visit the Place de l'Ancien Douane, which is a historic square surrounded by charming medieval buildings and cafes. The Coiffes, Old Customs House, is a highlight. 2. Visit the Unterlinden Museum. Housed in a former 13th century convent, the Unterlinden Museum is one of Colmar's cultural gems. It features an impressive collection of medieval and Renaissance art, including the famous Eisenheim altarpiece. 3. Admire St. Martin's Church. The St. Martin's Church is a stunning example of Gothic architecture. Built in the 13th and 14th centuries, it boasts intricate stained glass windows and a grand facade. Its tall spire is a key part of Colmar's skyline. 4. Hansi Village and Museum. Musée Hansi is dedicated to the beloved Alsatian illustrator Jean-Jacques Waltz, also known as Hansi. The museum celebrates his work, which depicts charming scenes of Alsace's people and culture. 5. Tasting Alsatian wine. Colmar is located along the Alsace wine route, making it a great spot for wine lovers. Visit local wine cellars, like de Montkarcher or de Montmartingent, to sample some of the region's renowned white wines, such as Riesling and Gewürztraminer. 6. Stroll through the market hall, Marché Couvert. The Marché Couvert is a covered market where you can experience local flavors. Enjoy fresh produce, cheeses, cured meats, and traditional Alsatian specialties. It's a great place to grab a bite or pick up gourmet souvenirs. 7. Christmas markets. Colmar is famous for its enchanting Christmas markets, which run from late November through December. The town transforms into a winter wonderland with festive decorations, stalls selling crafts, mulled wine, and local delicacies. 8. Bartholdi Museum. Visit the Musée Bartholdi, the former home of Auguste Bartholdi, the sculptor of the Statue of Liberty. The museum showcases his works and provides insight into his life and artistic journey. 9. Château du Haut-Königsberg. A short drive from Colmar, this restored medieval castle offers breathtaking views of the Alsatian countryside. Wander through its ancient halls, towers, and gardens for a glimpse into medieval life. 10. Cycling around Colmar. Colmar is surrounded by scenic vineyards and charming villages, making it perfect for cycling. You can rent a bike and explore nearby towns like Aiguisheim or Ricoeur, both part of the most beautiful villages in France. Colmar is a delightful blend of history, culture, and charm, offering visitors a perfect mix of sightseeing, dining, and unique experiences. If you liked this video, don't forget to click the like button and press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.